Hello and welcome to another video here on Humble Unboxing. Today we're gonna unbox this beauty, the Razer Blackwidow Elite mechanical keyboard. And if I'm just gonna take a little closer, this is what it sounds like. And got this for on Black Friday, and we're just gonna go ahead and unpack it. So where is here? Let's take out the scissors. Probably the first time. We don't even need scissors, I think. No, we don't. Pretty smart opening here with like a little arrow that we can tear on. I'm not strong enough, it seems like. Oh, we're just gonna take the whole thing off. I didn't know that. On the other side as well. Nice focus camera. Amazing. Do the same thing on this side, and here we go. And then we're just gonna go ahead and open up this beauty. This is what it sounds like. It's gonna welcomes us with this "Welcome to the cult of Razer." It doesn't sound that good, to be honest. It's a keyboard connected to USB cables. It also has some other, not entirely sure what, for example, this is for. This is just the USB, and another one. And here, like for sound, a 3.5 millimeter one. Yeah. And here, just two USBs. Let's take the thing out if we can. Not sure how we're supposed to do that. Probably somewhat like this, and then that's just the whole thing. It comes here with like a little manual, which is even signed. But yeah, for gamers, by gamers, nice. But we are more interested in the product, so let's go ahead and let's unpack this one. Okay, very interesting. There's like a little thing for the wrist that you can put your wrist on, which is like more comfortable. And obviously the keyboard itself, that sounds like this. Pretty amazing. And here's some little buttons, like play next to the last one, and this is just to mute, and a number keyboard, like a number pad, and all the usual keyboard my god, the normal letters and so on. Perfect. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of Humble Unboxing. I hope you have an amazing day. See you another time. Bye bye.